All right, let's talk about OpenAI's new AgentKit. We're going to break down what it is, who it's really built for, and take a look at a more business-ready alternative. So when OpenAI announced AgentKit, it brought up a really practical question for business leaders. Is this a tool your team can actually use, or is it another complex platform for your engineers? So, what exactly is AgentKit? Think of it as a powerful toolbox for developers to build custom AI agents from the ground up. It's incredibly flexible, but it's definitely made for engineers first. Now, AgentKit isn't just one thing. It's a collection of 4 core components. You've got the agent builder, chat kit for the interface, evals for testing, and connectors for data and safety. Let's start with the agent builder, which is really the main event here. It's a visual drag and drop canvas for mapping out an agent's logic, but these workflows can get complicated to manage pretty fast. Next up is ChatKit. Once your agent is built, this toolkit helps you embed a chat window into your app. It's a nice time saver, but it still requires front-end coding to get it right. And of course, you need to test your agent. Evels is OpenAI's framework for measuring performance, but it's very developer-focused, centered on technical scores rather than business impact. On the other hand, a business-focused tool like eesel AI takes a different approach. Its simulation mode lets you test your agent on your own historical support tickets so you can forecast real results before you even go live. Finally, there are connectors and guardrails, which handle data access and safety. In AgentKit, these are separate pieces a developer needs to assemble, unlike an all-in-one platform where that's already built in. So, this brings us back to the main question. Is AgentKit right for your business? If you have a dedicated AI team building something highly custom, absolutely. But for most non-technical teams, it introduces some significant roadblocks. Here's a quick breakdown of the key differences. AgentKit can take weeks to set up and requires coding, while a platform like eesel AI gets you started in minutes with no code and integrates with your help desk with just one click. Another thing to consider is the cost. AgentKit's pricing is tied to API usage, which can be really unpredictable. A busy month could lead to a surprisingly high bill, which makes budgeting a real challenge. Look, there's no doubt that AgentKit is an impressive toolkit for developers, but for business teams who need to automate workflows today, its complexity makes it a tough sell. An integrated, no-code solution is often the faster path to getting value. We get a lot of questions about this, so let's touch on a common one. People ask what AgentKit is really designed to do. In short, it's a unified toolkit to help developers build, test, and manage custom AI agents from scratch. So, if you're looking for an AI platform that you can set up in minutes, not months, then an alternative like eesel AI was built for you. It lets you go from prototype to production almost immediately.